Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Educational Hub. Did you know your body is working every second to keep you alive? Your heart beats, your lungs breathe, and your brain controls everything automatically. Let's discover the amazing part of the human body and their functions. So, stay with me till the end because your body is more powerful and fascinating than you think. Brain controls body and thinking. The brain is the control center of the human body. It is a soft organ protected by the skull and helps us think, feel, move, learn, and remember. The brain works by sending and receiving signals through billions of nerve cells called neurons. The brain works continuously even when we are sleeping, making it one of the most important organs in the human body. Heart. Heart pumps blood. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It supplies oxygen and nutrients to all body parts and removes waste like carbon dioxide. The heart works continuously to keep us alive. The human heart beats around 60 to 100 times per minute and works day and night without stopping. Kidneys make urine. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine that play an important role in keeping the body healthy. Their main function is to filter waste products, toxins, and extra water from the blood to produce urine. The kidneys also help balance fluids, minerals, and salts in the body, regulate blood pressure, and support the production of red blood cells. Inside each kidney are millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons that continuously clean the blood. These organs work all day and night to maintain the body internal balance and proper functioning. Stomach breaks down food. The stomach is a muscular organ located in the upper abdomen that plays a major role in digestion. It receives food from the esophagus and breaks it down using strong muscles and digestion juices. The stomach mixes food with acids and enzymes to turn it into a semi-liquid form that can be easily digested in the intestines. It also helps kill harmful bacteria and absorbs small amounts of nutrients and water. The stomach works together with other digestive organs to provide the body with energy and nutrients needed for growth and health. Pancreas makes insulin. The pancreas is a soft glandular organ located behind the stomach that plays an important role in digestion and blood sugar control. It produces digestive enzymes that help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates in the small intestine. The pancreas also releases hormones such as insulin and glucagon, which regulate the level of sugar in the blood. By helping with digestion and maintaining balanced blood sugar levels, the pancreas supports the body's overall health and energy production. Bladder holds urine. The bladder is a hollow muscular organ located in the lower abdomen that stores urine before it leaves the body. Urine produced by the kidneys travels through tubes called ureters into the bladder where it is temporarily held. When the bladder becomes full, nerves send signals to the brain, creating the urge to urinate. The bladder then contracts to release urine through the urethra. This organ plays an important role in removing waste and maintaining the body's fluid balance. Spleen fight germs. The spleen is a soft organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen near the stomach. It plays an important role in the immune system and blood filtration. The spleen helps remove old or damaged red blood cells, stores healthy blood cells and platelets, and helps the body fight infections by producing and supporting white blood cells. It also helps filter harmful substances from the blood. Although the spleen is important for immunity and blood health, a person can still live without it with proper medical care. Appendix. The appendix is a small tube shaped organ attached to the large intestine in the lower right side of the abdomen. It is believed to play a role in supporting the immune system and storing helpful bacteria for the digestive system. The appendix does not have a major function in digestion and a person can live normally without it. However, if the appendix becomes infected or inflamed, it can cause a condition called appendicitis, which often requires surgery to remove it. Lungs help you breathe. The lungs are two soft, spongy organs in the chest that help us breathe. They take in oxygen from the air and remove carbon dioxide from the body. The lungs work together with the heart to supply oxygen to all body parts. They also help in speech and maintain the balance of gases in the body, making them essential for life and overall health. Healthy lungs are important for physical activity, energy, and survival. The lungs expand and contract every time we breathe, working continuously to keep the body supplied with oxygen. Liver cleans blood. The liver is a large organ located on the right side of the upper abdomen and is one of the most important organs in the body. It helps filter toxins and harmful substances from the blood, produces bile to aid digestion, and stores nutrients and energy for the body. The liver also helps control blood sugar levels, support metabolism, and produces proteins needed for blood clotting. It works continuously to keep the body healthy and functioning properly. The liver has the special ability to repair and regenerate itself when damaged. Healthy liver function is essential for digestion, energy production, and overall well being. Small intestine takes nutrients. The small intestine is a long coiled tube in the digestive system located between the stomach and the large intestine. Its main function is to digest food completely and absorb nutrients, vitamins, and minerals into the bloodstream. The small intestine plays a major role in providing the body with energy and nourishment. It works continuously to support growth, repair, and overall health. Large intestine makes food. The large intestine is the final part of the digestive system. It absorbs water and salts from undigested food and turns waste into stool. It also contains helpful bacteria that produce vitamins and support digestion. The large intestine includes the colon, rectum, and anus, and it helps remove waste from the body in a healthy way. Esophagus moves food to stomach. The esophagus is a long muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. It moves food and liquids to the stomach through wave-like muscle movements called peristalsis. The esophagus helps food travel smoothly during swallowing and prevents food from going into the airway. Gallbladder stores bile. The gallbladder is a small pear-shaped organ located beneath the liver. It stores and concentrates bile, a digestive fluid made by the liver that helps break down fats in food. When fatty food enters the small intestine, the gallbladder releases bile to aid digestion. Trachea carries air to lungs. The trachea, also called the windpipe, is a tube that carries air from the nose and mouth to the lungs. It is supported by strong cartilage rings that keep the airway open during breathing. The trachea also helps filter and dust particles with mucus and tiny hair-like structures called cilia. Diaphragm helps you breathe. The diaphragm is a large dome-shaped muscle located below the lungs. It plays an important role in breathing by contracting and relaxing to help air move in and out of the lungs. When the diaphragm contracts, the lungs expand and fill with air, and when it relaxes, air is pushed out. Understanding the human body helps us appreciate how every organ works together to keep us alive, healthy, and active. From breathing and digestion to movement and thinking, each body part has an important role in our daily life. I hope, friends, you learned something interesting today about the human body and its amazing functions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. See you in the next lesson. Till then, bye bye.